G'day and welcome back to Buildsum. And in this video I'm just going to continue on from the last one, and I'm going to use the spreadsheet to work out the length of my rafter. So similarly to with the degrees for the roof pitch, we're just going to have to consider using radians every time we want to enter the degree. So for the length of the rafter, the common formula that I use is the half span divided by cos or cosine and the roof pitch. Okay, so to do that in the spreadsheet, we're just going to click on where we want the answer. We're going to hit our equals sign, and I'm going to type in, I'm not going to type in anything. I'm going to select my half span cell. Okay, so that's B3, just 2 meters. I'm then going to divide by the cosine, cos, and as we did before, because we're going to enter our angle in here, we then have to enter in our radians function and then click on the cell with our pitch in it and hit enter. So that gives us the length of our rafter from the center of the ridge to the back of the bird's mouth. We then basically need to repeat that for our overhang, which is the same formula as our rafter, except we're not going to use the half span, we're going to use the eave width. Okay, so just to repeat that, so it's going to be equal our half span, or in this case our eave width, which is 450, divided by cosine radians and our angle, same angle, gives us a overall length of 520. And then to get the overall length of our rafter, we're just going to add those two together. Okay, so easy enough, just hit equals that cell there plus that cell there equals. So we get an overall length of our rafter of 2 meters 824. Okay, so now that's all set up, we can change this pitch. Let's go at 25 degrees. Okay, and we'll get our new rafter length. We can change our eave overhang, and we'll get a new length, and we can change our half span. And the calculator, all those formulas that we've put in, will give us the new length or the revised length that we need. So we can use this for any situation. All right, so I hope that helps with using degrees in a spreadsheet.
G'day, I'm back. Just to let you know that if you like this video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, or you can follow me on Facebook so you don't miss out on more great videos.